Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. I am actually right here. I'm not using the Mixcam app today because it just keeps crashing halfway through a video. Very frustrating. Anyway, so I'm just having to use this, and I don't edit my videos and I don't use GoPros. I just shoot it with my phone as I'm going. So this particular job I've got in, this is from a customer that, surprise, surprise, went through this company here as usual. This was the picture that she sent me of all of her tapes. Now, yes, they do have issues. And any of these, well, most companies don't deal with them. If they got mold or anything like that, forget about it. They're sending it back to you. To their credit, they did give her a full refund, but wasted about 6 months of time there. So this is what I'm renowned for, is restoring all of this old stuff that other companies have told you, nope, they're all lost forever. Now, you can see here the age is coming on 30 years old. Telltale signs here, the discoloration of these tapes, they've been left out in humidity. This customer is in Florida. So whether they've been, through the walls there with the humidity, you can see the mold on there as well. So yes, this can be removed. It is a lot of work, a lot of fiddling about, which is why nobody does this. It's just messy, dirty work. So I'm going to do a test here with one of the tapes, and let me get a VHS-C adapter here. So let's see, this is 1993. And yeah, she was very distraught when she got all these tapes back, being told that there's nothing she can do, they're done. You do trust that a company like this that advertises like mad, actually is, quote, professional at what they do, but no. So I'm going to put this in this particular cleaner here as a starter, because opening up these tapes here, especially when they're like this and the screws are rusted, I can't even get a grasp on it to undo it. Because what I do with these, if I can't get them to open up, which ideally I would like to do to get them on the spools like this, yeah, it is a lot of work, and typically I've got to break them, brute force break them open. So to avoid all of that right now, I'm just gonna do a clean. So this one here, I'm gonna rewind. This particular piece of kit here is like 1993 circa. They don't make any of the pads or anything anymore. You have to literally cut pieces of chamois and take the thing to pieces. So these rollers in there that clean the tape, kind of like this. Yeah, anyway, my brain is fried right now from a long day of work. It's 7:30 p.m. at night here in Phoenix, and I've been here for about 12 hours. So a short video here, just showing you, hopefully, it doesn't sound too good. Guys, please keep your tapes in good shape. Now I'm going to run it on this particular VCR. Now, I don't like to sacrifice VCRs with these poor tapes, because high-end VCRs that I have, I don't want to risk ruining the heads, because replacement costs and just damaging them, no. So I have cleaned the head on this. This is the drum. The heads are these little tiny holes right here, but I've cleaned it with chamois tips and isopropyl, and everything's shut down for the night. I have closed up. I'm in a retail establishment, doors locked, so I can actually focus on this stuff, because it does get very time consuming. Is this rewinding? Yes, it is. And I also lay it flat instead of upright because of the gravity. It does run slower. Though, oh no, this is why it's not rewinding. Hold on. Stop. Whoa. Oh no. Oh, you know what's happened? It's come loose in there. The tape is split. stupid split. And I can't get it out. Oh, this door's... Now the door's broken. Anyway, this door's kind of redundant anyways. Oh boy. And I can tell something's happened here. Oh no. Now that's broken. Oh guys, you see it here first. This is the junk that I have to deal with. And here we go. Come on. Please come out. Watch this. If I lift this, this is now split. Yup. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. This is going to be fun. Anyway, well, I guess I don't have a... You'll have to tune in for a part 2 of this, but this is just part of the joys of all of this messy, filthy stuff I have to deal with from neglect of many, many years. If you would like to get some information or a quote, gotmemories.com. Do not be expecting bargain basement prices like you see with all these companies, because it's a false economy. They're not actually doing anything for the money, just giving you back fuzzy files or telling you this stuff is untransferable. Yeah, it's a money grab. But anyway, all the best to you, gotmemories.com. That's about it. Fun, fun, fun.